Is it possible to make peanut butter with only peanuts? Make sure to watch till the end to find out. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread 3 cups of peanuts across a large rimmed baking sheet and toast your peanuts for 10 minutes. About halfway through, stir them and flip them over. Then let them toast for about 5 more minutes. After they finish toasting, let the peanuts cool until they're just warm, about 10 minutes. Transfer your peanuts to a high-speed blender or a food processor. If you enjoy making these store-bought food items in your home kitchen, then I highly suggest you subscribe so you don't miss any future videos like this. Start blending on high for about 10 minutes or so until creamy. You're going to think it'll never blend, but be patient, it will come together. Keep scraping down the sides and breaking up the ball. Then finally, it will turn smooth and creamy. I always add a pinch of salt and sometimes some cinnamon, but be creative. You can even add some vanilla or maple syrup. Now that you have peanut butter, make sure to watch this video on how to make almond butter at home. Enjoy!